Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both devices are ready. Update Watch OS and iOS, then back up your iPhone. Next, enable a watch passcode and wrist detection so the device locks when removed. Turn on Find My to locate or erase the watch remotely. This is essential if it's lost. Once done, unlink any old Apple Watch profiles and clear sensitive apps. Doing these first steps reduces risk and prepares you for secure pairing and protection measures that follow. You'll pair the watch to your Apple ID and enforce account-level protection. Set a strong, unique password and enable two-factor authentication, so access requires a second factor. Then audit app permissions, restrict location, contacts, and health data to only apps you trust. Make sure software updates install automatically and disable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi when not needed. Also, use a secure home Wi-Fi or a VPN on public networks. These changes you finish by protecting the watch physically and planning for recovery. Fit a durable case and tempered screen protector to prevent drops and scratches. Make sure service technicians remove them for battery work. Turn on erase data after 10 failed passcode attempts only if you accept the risk of data loss. Finally, if the watch goes missing, immediately mark it as lost in Find My and display contact info. If unrecoverable, erase remotely. Troubleshooting tip: if pairing fails, reboot both devices, sign out of iCloud, then sign back in and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.